go beyond.
New vacancy at Abu Dhabi. Senior Chartered Quantity Surveyor. We are currently looking for a Senior Chartered Quantity Surveyor for our client in Abu Dhabi. The candidate must be formally recognized by a professional body, preferably one of the following: RICS, Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors; UK International, or AIQS, Australian Institute of Quantity Surveyors, Australia, or HKIS-PAQS, or other relevant international bodies. Candidate requirements: bachelor or master's degree in civil engineering, 10 to 15 years of total experience, minimum 6 to 7 years of experience in the UAE construction sector, specifically in Abu Dhabi, must have quantity surveyor professional membership from the international bodies. UAE available candidate may only apply. Salary benefits. Salary and benefits will be based on the candidate's experience and qualifications. Attractive packages will be offered. CV submission. Candidates who are seriously looking for a job change may send their CVs to anisha.jayan@ourawabit.com.
Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest career opportunities in the UAE.